It's day 2 in Osaka and we're going shopping today. And we're back on the camera today. We were just on the phone yesterday for Universal Studios.
You got a separate video for Universal?
Yeah, probably.
Hello?
She said, excuse me.
Yes please.
Anyways, the cleaner just came in and changed our towels, but we walked outside and it was like really raining, so we're now going to try to go to the Aquarium instead of shopping, and then we'll do shopping tomorrow instead. But we can't book the Aquarium, so we'll see if we can even get in, hopefully.
Yeah, and then we'll go to Donburi tonight.
Which is this guy.
That guy, exactly.
We're going to go around there for dinner so we can see that.
Yeah.
Change of plans again.
Found a really cozy ramen shop, so
yeah, we're
stopping for lunch now.
Eating some lunch because it is like 1:30. I don't even know why I'm not even hungry. I think because I just woke up. Remember how I tell you when I wake up early I'm starving? Yeah, like I'm just not. But when I eat up.
So we're just so hungry that you don't even know you're hungry.
Maybe. Yummy, yummy. Looks good.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Anyways, about to munch this.
Huh?
About to munch this, right?
Yeah, it's so good.
And then I gotta buy this ticket online. So I'm gonna try to do that and then we'll go. Just finished up your dig. Oh.
That was really, really yummy. It was so good.
Yeah. And I just bought the tickets.
Oh yeah, we can go to the
2:30.
Get on there, boy. So we're on way to the aquarium now.
Yeah. The Ferris wheel too that we were gonna go on, but
I honestly think I'd be too scared.
they're fun. Yeah.
Really?
Okay.
I'm see a shark.
Whoa, no way they're like, what's that shark called? And they're like, has like a big ass mouth and like sucks shit in. That one right there.
I don't know much.
Whatever that one is, I'm pretty sure it's there. Well, this place is fucking huge. Size comparison, go. Damn!
This is so cool!
Shouts out.
It is Dory.
Shouts out, Alan. Damn! These boys are looking good. Did you get a fish?
Oh, we did.
さあ元気よく倒立をしながら皆様に迫力のあるところをアピールしておりました。さあ水中からも勢いよく上がってまいりましたね。さあ前足を振って皆様にアピールでございます。大変愛らしいですよね。さあそしてこのような倒立が行った後上手に
Oh my god, hello, hello, hello. Look how big the eyes are. Go to puppy. This is a puppy. I want it to pop out. Come back,
Bro, I thought these were big.
Crazy.
What the hell? What is that? Mandingo, bruh.
Look at the scales.
エクアドル熱帯雨林水槽にはピラルクたちやピラニア、そしてネオンテトラなど熱帯雨林に暮らすさまざまな生き物の姿。
Jump up, jump up, jump up, jump up.
So
Damn, like this is literally what the Great Barrier Reef is like. Eh?
yeah, I really
I've
think
never been there before, but can you not see it? It's in the middle. Look.
Oh yeah.
He just ate that body of food. What the hell? Yeah, it is that. Dog's gonna eat. How is that even
there's a crab in there. Yeah, you know what it's moving? By that green thing. Oh wow.
I think she likes Nemo. I don't know it. I actually don't know. It's real weird. This guy's cleaning in there. What the fuck? The shark's right under him.
We're now at Mr. Donut and we're going to get a donut and then take it back and get some Starbucks.
This is like the donut spot in Japan. And I was telling her about how we need to get it before we came here.
Yeah. Wait, can you...
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, that looks good. Do you want any more out of this one?
No. This and a bloody yap.
It's so beautiful. Did you get it?
Yeah, I did.
Nice.
Figured it out.
It's so fun. Look at the boat. The water looks really nice here. I won't even lie.
Yeah, look at this paper. They come with the paper so your finger don't get dirty, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? That one. It's like mochi. It's like mochi. It's like mochi. It's so fluffy.
Oh my god.
How much was this?
$16.
4 donuts was $6. And these 2 coffees were $10. Both.
Which is insane.
I mean, for both.
I want to try. Got your honey one and I have strawberry on this one.
Okay.
Honey.
Did you see this? That shit looks crazy. That looks crazy.
Smell that.
Jesus Christ.
sand. Stuck in sand.
Tell me what you're trying to do before.
Move my eyebrows side to side. But I can't do it.
Try it again. You almost got it. Your left one's kind of moving. Go again. I'll show you. Go again. Go again.
新築マンション一戸建てを分譲するエステムシリーズの日照エステム映画「グランメゾンパリ」上映中の心斎橋パルコ
Do you know what that is, mate?
Donkey Kong.
Yeah, we'll go there first. That's the big street, but
Is it down there?
McKenna's on a mission to find Ariana Grande Cloud,
Yeah.
and we saw it at the Don Quixote the other day. So now we've been on the hunt.
And it's sold out everywhere we go. Now we're in a different city, so
So
we're
let's
gonna see
see.
if it's here.
Let's see if they got it.
We know what level it's on, so that's what we're doing. Is this the mega one?
Huh?
Is this the mega one? Donkey
Yeah, it
Kong?
looks pretty big.
It's got the big ones.
Oh shit.
How do we know where it
Oh, out of
is?
stock. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, man.
How do we have the big
Oh
one?
no, wait. That's out of stock. Cloud might not be.
Where is it?
I'm not sure. I don't think it's back there.
So how do we get it? Take you back
Did you just say let's go ask?
and you go up.
Alright, let's go ask. Come on, let's go. They don't got it. They don't got it.
Why not?
Sorry, but they've only got these two. Kind of cool. Oh, so what? So you're telling me
So if you have
if I buy a pair of tights here and
Probably
they
should
rip and they rip next year, then I can get a free pair for the rest of my life.
Yeah,
Is that what you're saying?
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Can I double check that with the staff? No, I won't do that. Is that not it?
Define gender.
170.
No, I can't drop that much on a G.
So what's the same?
I don't know. Should probably look at that one at home.
That's pretty cute though.
Feel it.
Statue of literally. Huh?
Statue of Lily.
Statue of literally.
So we should get a bag to take off the plane.
Some lollies.
Yeah,
What the fuck, mate?
they're so dumb. These ones hit different.
Ooh. This is
Look how
the shit
big
at
the
home.
eggs are. We're about to see the sign.
This is it, ladies and gentlemen. So fucking busy here though.
Yeah, it's so busy. So many people. Oh, it's there, it's there, it's there.
Is it?
I see it. Wow.
Bloody hectic. Do the sign real quick. So dumb. Nah, but close. Pretty fucking crazy down here, right? With the signs and stuff. Yeah. Signs here are crazy, y'all.
Crazy. Literally crazy.
Literally crazy. Look at these men them hustling too. Come to a restaurant where you literally fish in the restaurant and you give the kitchen what you fish and they cook it for you. But is it open? It's open. Do we have space?
Look, we might have space.
That's it.
Table in the water.
That's gangster.
Oh, that's the table and you're fishing.
Holy. That's crazy, bro. No. No, no.
Oh my god, that would have hit! Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god!
chicken is in the hook. This one's literally just...
How do I get under it though?
I don't know. Try like scoop it under. Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck?
First try!
I don't know, but that was pretty good. Solid effort.
Mission success.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So pretty much with the fish you catch, you can pick how you want it. And for the sea bream that we got, we did half deep fried and half sashimi. And the flounder that we caught, we got half breaded and half simmered with soy sauce.
Yep.
Yep. And then we're about to get some other sides and shit as well. But yeah, how fun was that? Pretty cool there.
That was so funny. I loved that. What the next one's here too?
It just came, bro.
Oh, yum.
Put that over there.
Yes.
Oh my god.
That was so fast.
That's not good.
Wow.
Cheese! We just got all the fucking food.
Came out so fast.
It did it.
That's the deep fried
So
one.
this fish is that fish. So half of that came from this fish that we just caught.
Yeah.
And then the other one, the flounder, is this. I think this is like a marinated soy sauce one. Not marinated, but like cooked in soy sauce. And then this is just the breaded.
Yeah.
The big
So like crumbs.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Is it good?
Very good.
Would I like it? Really?
Yeah, well, that's good. Good, right? Not bad though, right?
Not bad. Ready?
Good.
Yum! Yum! They're all delicious!
If you know, you know. So this is octopus balls, and it's like cracker as well.
Okay, you
It's
try.
like a cracker sandwich.
You eat it first because I won't get to the octopus balls.
Okay, hold on.
Good?
Like it?
What's that cracker?
I think it's like fish cracker. No joke. No joke, I'm pretty sure. Pretty good though, right?
That's yum.
Yeah.
We went to the convenience store to get these because we got them yesterday but they all melted, so we're going to try them now. They're like grape. Don't know what's in them.
That shit look like grape dough.
What one do you want? We'll both try green.
Thank you. Ready?
What's that?
Whoa! Oh my god.
What the fuck? I mean, damn.
That's so...
Oh, holy
Shoot.
God, that's good. It explodes in your mouth. What even is inside?
Oh.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna eat them all right now.
Anyone in Japan, try that shit.
Get that.
Holy god, that's good.
Is it like grape cream in the middle or something?
I don't know what that is.
Put it in your mouth and then put the tongue on the top of your roof.
I know, that's what I did before, yeah. Eat it without touching it. I like the green one more.
They both kind of taste the same. Okay, well, that's the rest of our vlog for today. Gosh. And tomorrow we're going shopping. We're going shopping and we've got Team Lab. So excited.
Tired.